How to blur parts of a video in CapCut. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. Open up your CapCut and import a video in your CapCut. Now right here, to blur a part of a video, there are basically two ways. Select the effect and go to Video Effect. Tap on Opening and Closing and select a blur effect. Tap on Adjust to increase or decrease the blur strength. Now to adjust the blur effect, select a particular section of your video. Manage the endpoint of the blur effect as well. Now it is gonna look something like this. This is when you want to blur a particular section of a video. Next is to blur out a particular part of the video. Let us suppose some kind of personal information. Follow this next step. Now you can easily tap on this effect and tap on the duplicate to copy this effect. Once the effect is copied, adjust the endpoint of the blur effect. Now, once it is done, tap on the video. Then select the option of Split. Split the video from the section where you want to blur a certain part. Then again, tap on Duplicate. Select the duplicate video and tap on Overlay and place it right under the original one. Tap on the duplicate video, then tap on the option of Mask. From here, select the shape according to the blur part. Here I've selected mirror, then tap on invert, then tap on the tick mark. Once you give it a play, it is gonna look something like this. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.